Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing the royal family. We surprised the kids with this on Christmas.
Open gifts on 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody out
from
there.
From the royal family.
They were starting.
Merry Christmas from Petty Fam. From Petty Reactions. We love y'all.
Off with some breakfast. Before we open some gifts, we're going to start off with some breakfast.
We're having corned beef hash and nothing and nothing. Just kidding, y'all. We about to have some bacon and some pancakes. We don't have to just add water, so we got to add the egg, vegetable oil. So that's
why I'm not making them. I'm going to just add water kind of person, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be in charge of the eggs. I'm gonna make the eggs too.
Okay, bet. You sure you gonna make them eggs?
I make good eggs.
Alright, you better not.
I'm gonna make the eggs and the corned beef hash. We got Legend over here, shirtless. Supposed to have his pajamas. CJ's upstairs playing his video game.
Ma will never let me live this down. But he's the one that's got me putting brown sugar in my pancake mix. Y'all remember when we had that pancake battle? Yeah, I did steal a little bit of his sauce. But I kept my sauce and his sauce together. Perfecto. Got the bacon going over here. Crispy bacon. Babe, I don't know about you, but you need to put on matching pajamas like me and the rest of the kids.
I look dark?
Yes, you're walking around looking like a black ghost. Me, Legend, CJ, we're all bright. We got like Christmas stuff. Put your Christmas pajamas on. Lord have mercy. There y'all. Legend, are you ready to open gifts? Time to open gifts. Time to open gifts. Look, matching fits.
They open gifts on 3. 1, 2, 3. Open gifts. No?
You ready to open gifts, Legend?
It's your boy CJ.
And we are about to
open some presents. It's Christmas Eve today.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and I'm gonna get.
You don't know what you're gonna get, okay?
Oh, that's for Legend.
Legend, open up. Alright, CJ, you open up. Yeah, open it, Legend. Open a present.
Open it. Wait.
What?
What?
What is that?
A ninja punching bag.
Daddy about to get so good.
Whoa.
That's a ninja punching bag. So you blow it up and you punch it and you kick it.
And then I can.
You can practice on being no Clare bear.
You probably still won't be able to. Rip it, Legend.
No, CJ's pretty strong, so he's gonna be there in a minute.
Oh, there are no shoes.
Shoes.
Show them?
Yeah.
Go show it to the camera.
Guys, look.
What's this, Legend? Shoe. Legend likes the sticker more than the shoe. He got the cool grade.
What is this? It's a Minecraft road.
Here, open it, Leggy. What is it? Say it. He said it's a little. Say writing board. Good job, Mommy did a good job.
Oh, it's a punching glove.
Yes, it's punching gloves because you love to punch. You like them? Y'all can see Legend is right here, writing on his pad.
Oh, those are good gifts.
No, I always wanted one of these. I asked for Clarence one of these.
What is that?
Empty TV book.
It's a comic book.
It's an unnamed book.
Yes, you just told me you love reading those comic books, so you got this one. Let's you want to open your next gift? I know you want to play on this.
Yeah, kids be like this.
CJ is too cute. He's so excited. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas, CJ.
She said a water bottle?
But it's a Minecraft one, and matches with his robe.
I think you'll like this one, Legend.
Come on, Leggy, open up. Look. Okay, what's that?
What animals is there?
What's that?
It's a cactus. And a toilet.
like playing with this house. If y'all look at the inside like this, see it has little floors and it has the animals to go with it. It has a cow, pig. What's that? It's a horse. That's an indoor soccer ball with the soccer net. You're gonna love that too. This is a color sorting fruit and vegetable kit. Legend loves to sort. He loves his colors. He loves to learn. So, and he also has something else to go with this, y'all. Just hold on.
Come see it.
You like it? You love your house? You can open the door and then you can open it up. Close it. Open it and close it. Let it out. Come over here, CJ. Come over here.
No shoes, mommy.
Yes.
She's probably vlogging it a little bit.
He got some low dumps.
Yep.
He had some before, but he just grows so big, so I got to size up and grow to him. You like all your gifts so far? I believe we have another one too that's not even wrapped because it just came today. It's a little cow. You love this gift, Legend?
Legend, why am I opening your gifts?
Legend, open your gift. Open. Legend.
It's a cow, you know.
Look.
See, he's at that age. He don't care about nothing else but his little farmhouse and the little cow he trying to put through the attic. He's like, you need to get in this hole right here. He'll get to the other gifts later.
New gift. Look here, baby.
So you got Bubble World. Bubbles.
Bubbles. What's that?
Bubbles.
It's a bubble toy.
What's that?
It's a new learning toy, Legend.
Learning toy.
That's the United States.
What's this? You want to see your colors, Legend?
Fuzzy colors.
Put it in the right one. Good job. Red, go in the red.
Raspberries.
Raspberries. No, Legend, I don't
Good job, Legend. Uh-oh.
go there.
Where does that go?
That going purple.
Purple, good job. Where'd the orange go? Good job. Where'd the green one go?
Good job. No, don't make that mistake. Good job.
Good job. Almost done. Yay! Yay! Good job. Now CJ's about to open his next gift.
This is kind of big.
It is.
Wait, it's in a box.
You ready to open it?
Your world.
It's my room, huh?
I hope it's his car. Nope.
He said, it's my world, huh? You love it?
Yes, so much.
Oh, cool. Cool, CJ, that's dope. Look, oh, look.
He's good at that already.
Legend, Lord have mercy. Legend, you might get hurt on that.
Yeah, you gotta remember to turn that off when you're not using it. See that?
Yes.
Because he's gonna try to go on it.
And you can ride that outside too. Legend is so intrigued. Hold on, let me try to ride it.
No, you gonna fall.
Don't not fall. You know how to ride it? Not the wiggle. Nah.
She's doing pretty good. Be careful.
Oh, wait. I can ride it. I can ride it. CJ, how the heck you do this? Lord have mercy.
Takes a lot of practice.
I see a lot of people fall on this.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Never mind. This ain't for me. How can you ride this, CJ? This is crazy.
It takes a lot of practice.
Oh.
CJ is very athletic. And he's super smart too. But yeah, he did it like he's been doing it before. But yeah, that's hard because I guess you gotta put your foot down and indicate you want to turn a certain way. But I wouldn't be able to do it either, Queen. You did well.
I'm done.
That's
CJ,
easy.
turn it off for me.
Let me do it.
Oh, you can ride it?
Yeah.
You wiggling too.
It's been a while, but I'm not doing it. I definitely needs to be charged. Look.
Legend, you gotta open your big gift.
Rip this big gift.
Come on, come open the gift. Rip it. Go tear it. Go tear it.
Biggest booger I've ever seen.
See, that's a dad for you. Dad just don't care. He'll go and clean your nose with his hand. He don't need no clinic.
What's that, Legend? You can put your fruits in there. That's the kitchen, see?
Kitchen.
He said open. Open.
Open.
help him out, you can.
Okay.
We could both be chefs.
It's your own.
I
I don't care what nobody say. Boys and girls can have kitchens.
Queen came to me and asked me, would you mind if Legend has a kitchen set? Like, nah, I don't mind. I think he'll just like being like organizing the food and pretending to cook and stuff.
He's already playing with his kitchen. It's not even done yet. We gotta put the stickers on the kitchen. But y'all, this is how it should look. The box look messed up. But the kitchen should look like that.
got my own.
These now?
Yep.
From Lee. CJ
To CJ from Lee. Ooh.
Carrot.
Wow. All because you matter. It's a book. Good. You gotta
That's a nice book. She gonna have to think of it.
practice reading.
Read all your books.
You gotta read all your books. Look. And look, what you notice about this boy on here?
It looks like me.
It look like you, but he's what?
But
He's a black boy.
yeah, so he's me.
Yeah. You got a black boy book, so now you can relate to that book. Legend, you ready for the next gift? Open it. Legend, open it. Legend, come back. I knew he was gonna be
Legend, look
busy
at
with that.
Legend said, I like this one. He said, I think I'm gonna stick with this one for now.
That's your microwave. Look
What's
at
this?
Legend.
It's on.
Good job. Try me. Love it?
See, he gonna go into music like mama.
So please.
Play it. All right, CJ, you ready to open your next gift?
Yeah. Okay. I don't want to look.
You don't want to look? Oh, snaps.
I think this is the car, y'all.
What is that?
What is
Wow, a bike.
that? Oh, BMW motorcycle. Wow, that's a nice gift. We got this for you.
Thank you. I cannot talk right now.
You speechless?
Yes.
This is a great Christmas, ain't it? Legend. Want to open more gifts?
Goes with that.
Oh, snap. He got the drums. He about to be a whole musician up in here. The drum set. You got to go on the same beat. Good job. Legend loves music toys, y'all. Look, CJ, look so deep.
He's good already. He gonna pick it up.
You like jeans?
Yeah.
Look.
Ooh, these are so nice.
Oh, what's that?
This little Fendi tracksuit.
Hey, that's
Talking about
dope.
drip.
You about to be dripping today. You got some more jeans. Dang, you got drip. We're gonna start putting more jeans on Legend. Legend, look. Come here. This. Let's open it. It says to Legend.
Two burgers.
Open it.
She's really focused all the time.
What's
Ow!
Look, baby. Look. ABC Black History Book. What's your favorite gift so far that you got so far?
The hoverboard and the motorcycle.
Yeah, the motorcycle is super dope. Legend, he don't want to open his other gift yet, but CJ, you can open this gift. This one.
This the last one.
That's the last for mine.
Actually, there's some more gifts in the mail for you, like shoes and stuff.
Yeah, there's some more stuff coming.
but it's but you
Oh,
won't
I
be
still,
here.
no, I still.
Oh, Monique got a gift right there. Oh, that's what this is.
Check you out.
Oh, you.
That's so sweet that Monique gave them gifts. The babysitter lady. Aww.
Oh, you shooting who? Hey, I am too. I ain't gonna lie. Can I play with you? Wow, that's.
Thank you.
Who's this from?
Monique.
Are you ready for this one?
Because you're a big kid.
Wait, what?
Oh my God!
So sweet. He deserves it. Aw, I got tears back here, y'all. He's such a sweet kid. He takes good care of his brother. And he listens to his mom and Claire and his dad. That is so sweet. He's such a good kid.
What's on your mind right now?
What do you want to say?
I want to say thank you, whoever got it.
Mommy and Clare got it. Mommy and Clare got it. Both of us, yep. Ain't you so happy?
I am super excited.
Wow.
The PS4 finally. Where do you get this from, like?
So, let me just shout him out. I got this from Money Making Marv. That's his Instagram. He got it for me at a good price. All right, you got one more gift that came to mommy. That came from mommy in the mail today.
These
That is.
shoes.
Open.
Shoes. I know these are shoes.
Oh. Them is dope. Them are Yeezy foams. Wait, that's the wrong foot, baby. Oh, these are dope.
And these bouncy.
They bouncy?
Yeah.
Like mommy's side? Bouncy side?
Yeah. That looks like a man.
A man? Oh, wait. Legend. You open his gift? Look, Legend.
He feel like a man.
What is that? Y'all can see CJ got a bunch of
Good job, Legend. He opened his own gift.
on the ground. So does Legend. He has it all on the couch. We got CJ and Legend right. And they still have more drip coming, y'all. So these are Leggies. Got a little nice Fendi outfit. Man, y'all got some great gifts. Come on, Legend. Climb the ladder.
Don't lose anything out of there. Cause when I set it up for you, I need everything.
Here I go.
Don't lose everything.
Whee! Good job. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Good job.
Such a sweet baby. I know he's not really technically a baby, but Legend's so sweet. He's having so much fun.
You love it? So, y'all, the kids are playing with their gifts. We're cleaning up and stuff like that. But as we were cleaning up, I literally just forgot that we forgot one gift for Legend. It's not wrapped. Clarence just put like a sheet over it. He's having a blast right now on the slide, y'all. Look at him. He's just having a blast on the slide. There we go. What's that? Take it off. Take it
Like a little piano, y'all think?
off. Open it up.
Sit.
What is that, Papa? Legend.
That is so nice. Oh my gosh. Y'all watch out. About 5-7 years, he gonna have his little, he gonna be performing with Mama. Watch.
Oh, music. He has a little book too, y'all.
Look. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That's how you play it.
Good job. Clarence, I want you to open this for you.
It's really nice too because they have the colors on top of the keyboard. So when he, when they sit down and show him how to do colors, he'll be able to play.
Who is this from?
Just open it, babe.
Like drugs.
You like drugs?
Like a pound of that stuff.
Right.
Clare, I'm glad it's not.
You gotta roll it out.
It's like they smuggled it. Okay. That's hard. That's hard.
Good job, Queen. That's nice. Y'all look for it coming soon, I guess.
You like it?
Yeah, I fuck with it.
Merry Christmas. I got this because
This is hard.
I believe in you and I know you're gonna have your Design by White going soon. So this is gonna be perfect for your office.
We can't wait.
Yeah, I like it.
This is gonna be perfect.
Fuck with it. Very creative. I like this.
You like it? And you can put it on any floor you at.
I'll put it downstairs.
Put it
Right
downstairs
now. Until we get an office.
till we get an office. I did that.
Good job, Queen. See, she's so supportive. That's what you want to know. That your woman's supporting you, that she's behind you, she believe your dreams, she ride with you, and all that good stuff. So you start off with the sign, and the rest will come.
That's just his first gift that he opened, y'all. The Clarence want me to open. This is funny.
This gift was in the room with the kids' gifts, and she opened this, but she says accident, but I don't know.
Accident. Babe, you think I love surprises. You think I would really I was happy when I seen this, I ain't gonna lie. I did not open it though. I didn't open the box. So I don't know how they look. But let's see what you got. Oh, these are so dope. Clarence always put me on the trends, y'all. He always make.
Yeah, that's definitely on trend. Now, personally, I am not that fashion forward. But she loves it, and you know, she gonna be like the talk of the town. That's cute.
It's just so fly, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, she gotta be tight with you over the box.
I love these. I think they're so freaking cute. They remind me like skateboarder shoes. I'm gonna definitely rock these a lot. I'm gonna wear these a lot.
I have the same pair, so we have the same one.
They look so big. It look like Bigfoot shoes, like house shoes or something. But I know they not, and I'm not being petty now. Sometimes I am, but I'm not. But it's just, does it look like it's big? I think Queen got small feet, so I mean, imagine like in my size, like how big would the shoe be?
Pictures matching. Thank you, babe. I love how you just make me so drippy. I was wearing fox fur when I first.
Yo.
Look, she flipping her hair now. She's stunned. Oh, look, she getting all emotional. She's like, "You changed my world, boy."
When I first met you, now look at me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is a Balenciaga and Gucci collab. What could this be for me?
What can it be? What
could it be?
We probably got the same bag. Did you get me that?
Yeah. Looks like the same. Oh.
You open the wrong one? Okay.
Oh, this is. So now I got this one and you got that one.
Yeah, so you got this one for me?
Yes. That's so good, Clarence. Dang.
See, that means y'all matching though. See, you take your couple pictures with those hats on.
You didn't get to open it. Oh, this is cute. Is it cute on me?
It is. It looks cute.
Yes, it is. Wanna see yourself?
Ooh, this is very cute on me. Balakananas. And I usually don't think I look right with hats.
She hates hats because she has a string bean head.
Yeah, I have a string bean head. But Clarence got an oxtail head and his seems to go right in head. Love it, babe. Thank you. I love it. I'm gonna wear this for sure. Balacanana. Don't this Balenciaga. They keep on messing my socks up.
This feels like a jacket. We need to go somewhere cold.
That's what I'm saying, babe. Let's go to Aspen. Y'all, should we go to Aspen?
That's the second video where they mentioned going on vacation somewhere cold at Aspen also. So y'all go ahead and wait for this one because I think they're gonna do it.
He did say that this is the last time they're collabing, so it's like this is a once in a lifetime piece he'll ever get, and even if you want to sell it later on, it's gonna be worth a lot. Ooh, babe. You look nice. I love that. You look, ooh, you look spiffy.
Look, guys.
Dang,
This
babe.
is nice, though. I like this. You feel this? Feel this material, like.
Feel what?
Yeah.
Sorry. Dang, that is nice and warm.
Merry Christmas. This is what you went in the store for.
How you know? Oh, I know you caught on.
Because right when I said, oh, these is fire, you was like, oh, let's go.
Okay, you want to know why though? And honestly, I was.
These is hard.
No, let me tell on you. I was gonna get those for you. He was like, I think you should let him get them himself.
Yeah, I would have probably got these. Because it's like, we don't know if you want, like, if I, you know what I mean?
I knew you was gonna buy them.
These is hard. Like, the rainbow joints is OD.
Look at you on your hoverboard having the time of your life.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe. Put the camera on. Ooh, hold on, wait a minute. Not you trying to go to Celine since I went to Celine for your birthday. I see what you're doing here.
Guys,
But
tomorrow I'm going to my dad's house, so I'm gonna get a lot of presents. I'm gonna get this present.
yeah, you gonna get done.
That present.
You gonna miss your PS5 and your toys?
No, I didn't know. My dad got a PS5.
Oh, you do?
I got a PS5 on my list.
So you're gonna get 2 PS5s?
I don't know. We're gonna see. If you do, that's crazy. I'm selling yours here. Sell us.
Queen. He need one in both places, y'all. You know, that way he can just keep his game and his son and stuff. Y'all silly.
Let's see what this is. Celine Patties. Oh, I see it.
Trust me, I know. I got taste.
This is so fire. Oh yeah.
Claire.
Nice little Celine bag.
Little Celine. I'm so bougie.
You got mad bags, Mom.
I know. I love it. Thank you, babe. I'm gonna definitely rock this. Y'all gonna see me in some pictures. Just
I gotta
wait
show
on it.
you owe me if you adore me.
I do adore you.
That's what I think. This is what I thought. We definitely gotta take a picture.
I'm gonna take mine to get my name on it. You should take yours, get yours on it too.
On the back, right?
I was trying to see if I can get yours on it, but it was gonna be like 7 weeks.
Check me out, y'all.
Dior.
All y'all that was calling it a purse, it's called a tote.
A tote, you guys.
Where you, Paul?
Get it right. It's not a purse, it's a tote.
Money out. Appreciate it. Thank you. I got my own tote. Tote me. Tote me up.
What's this?
Huh? That's yours.
Damn.
What you mean? Okay.
It's heavy, whatever it is.
Lord, help me, please.
All right, but I'm pretty sure you know what it is, but there's a little surprise in there. I don't think you really see this exact one.
It's the Gucci bag. I knew it.
Good job, CJ. He's good at guessing.
Oh, this is fire.
Yeah.
They only had the black one like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
I told you.
They had it in the back though for me. You know what I mean?
Oh, yes. Period.
Turn around so they can see it. So they see the writing. Let's see the writing.
It says,
This is not a Gucci bag.
this is not a Gucci. Bro, I'm about to be rocking it. Fine.
So I know you seen the regular one without the words.
Yes, I love
But
it.
I just had to get you that that would
No,
this
I'm
would
glad.
never happen again. Like that's what you know what I mean? I couldn't just get you the normal one.
I'm really glad. Thank you, because I was like, I was looking at the black one. I was like, dang, I like this color, but I just wish the white
I
would
was
be on there.
I was going through it in the thing. I'm like, I have to get the black one. Like cause that one has the words on
So
it.
how did you end up getting it? So did they paint it on there?
Nah, they told me they're like, well, we have that one in the back too.
I'm about to be so flawed. It don't make no sense.
You like your gifts?
I love them. I love
And
it.
I got some more stuff coming.
Okay, yeah, so we had start recording, but we forgot to show you guys one gift. This actually was off camera.
These are
So y'all, we never showed these. He's seen these off camera, but we want to show you guys. These are super dope to me. These are Dior boots. They go with his black Dior coat. Hey.
See? He's smelling the inside. Look at the bottom like he did. You remember way back when she gave him some shoes?
Look at me like that, boo.
but these is OD. And then I got the jacket to go with it.
Yeah.
I already got the black jacket.
Yeah, we're gonna look nice, real nice in the snow. And I did not show you guys these. So we opened these two off of camera. But Clarence know I love my slippers. These are so stinking cute. This was actually the first gift I opened from him, right? Yeah, it was the first gift I opened, but we didn't show it.
Like the shoes, the Lambert shoes.
Oh yeah, these were second. But y'all, I love these so stinking much. I got my bottle on or whatever. I'm about to make some dinner, so we're going some what?
Honey butter cornbread.
Some honey butter cornbread, because Clarence is requesting that. And then after that, I'm gonna get some eggplant. So Merry Christmas to all you guys. We love y'all so much, and see y'all for the next Christmas holidays. And we still will continue to vlog, even though Vlogmas is over, but stay tuned and we'll be right back at ya. All right, babe. Say bye. Bye, Royal Family.
Peace out, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.